Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ankush, and today I'm going to discuss about the one SQL question. So we have the three question in the SQL, but I will solve the first question, and upcoming video I will try to solve the second and third question. So this is something apart from the Tableau. If you know Tableau, it's well and good, but you should know the SQL as well as. Okay, so we have the employee table and it has some values: employee ID, department ID, and the salary. Okay, so this is very common table, nothing fancy there. So the first question says find the employee with the second highest salary. Okay, so what is my second highest salary? So my second highest salary in the table, we have the very small table, so I can find out the second highest salary will be the uh, 800. So department is belong to D4 and the employee is 8. Okay, so I can in the real world you have the lots of data, just find out, but the interviewer wants to check your knowledge about the syntax. Okay, so basically they wanted to check your syntax, you will able to find the able to write script or not. Okay, so I will tell you the two method, and the second method will be the considerable and the perfect method. Once you like create this kind of the script, you definitely 100% chance to get the offer or the qualify the second round. Okay, so I will start with the first uh, the option. This is the correct, the question says the second highest salary, but this is not the correct way to find out the second highest salary. Okay, select max salary, employee table, yes salary. Okay, so as I said, the second highest salary the 800, and we got the result for the 800. So you can write this question with a subquery, but to be very frank, this is not the right approach on the right way. The interview, if you try to create this, the interviewer says, okay, you are not the like very beginner level, not the intermediate level. So what do you do? This is the exactly right. Definitely, you definitely qualify the second round, but I will tell you the second approach. The interview will impress. So I want everything. Let's make it a space. I want everything. Dance rank. I will explain on a bit this query. So let it me write first. Okay. So I'm using the dance rank, and I'm using the over function. This is they are the window function. So what does the first try to understand the question first. Find the employee with the second highest salary. Okay. The answer the both will be the correct, but the right approach will be the this. Let me order by. It should be the descending order. Okay, so we got the 800, and the first option we also got the 800, so both are the same. Okay, so instead of using the subquery, I will use the CTE. And so once I create the CTE, it's very simple for me to filter out the data. Okay, so now you can observe both answer are correct, but this is the one of the right or the approachable way to find out the this kind of question. Once you write this question in front of the interview, definitely they will impress and they will not ask you anything about "Okay, how will you create the overrank or dance rank." If you create this kind of question, definitely they will ask, is there any way to find the second highest salary using this? So you need to know, but once you create this and you present in front of the interviewer, definitely they will not ask you. Okay, and later on we'll definitely cover second and the third question. These are the very frequently asked nowadays. Every interviewer like bring this question to front of you to ask and check your syntax and everything. So let's I have covered the first question, and these are the queries, and we have the table, we have the both the option was subquery and the city. Yeah, that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching this. Take care. Bye.